Welcome back to the Silicon Shift. Today's video is a list of 10 new sports cars and SUVs under your $100,000 budget you can't wait to buy and drive in 2023. 1 Audi Q4 e-tron. It is an all-electric SUV that promises to deliver a combination of power, efficiency and advanced technology. It delivers up to 300 horsepower and 339 pound-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds. It also offers a range of up to 280 miles on a single charge. The interior has high-tech cabin that is spacious and luxurious. The dashboard is dominated by a 10.1-inch infotainment display. It has augmented reality heads-up display. The car has adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, Park Assist Plus, and automatic emergency braking. Here are the prices of 2023 Q4 e-tron. 2 BMW i4. It is an all-electric sedan that promises to deliver high performance, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort. The i4 comes with a powerful electric motor that delivers up to 530 horsepower and 586 pound-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. It also offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. The interior has a high-tech cabin that is both spacious and luxurious. The dashboard is dominated by a curved 14.9-inch latest version of infotainment display. It has the augmented reality heads-up display. Here are the prices of BMW i4. 3 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. It is a high-performance sports car that promises to deliver exhilarating driving dynamics and advanced technology. It is powered by a 5.5-liter V8 engine that delivers up to 670 horsepower and 460 pound-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Its exterior has a large front splitter, a rear wing, and a vented hood. It has a high-tech cabin that is both spacious and luxurious. The dashboard is dominated by a 12-inch digital instrument cluster. It also has performance data recorder. It has the instrument panel, steering wheel, and shift knob. Here are the prices of Corvette Z06. 4 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. It is an all-electric SUV that promises to deliver high performance and advanced technology. It is powered by dual electric motors that deliver up to 459 horsepower and 612 pound-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. It also offers a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. This SUV features a sporty grille, a long hood, and a low roofline. The interior has a high-tech cabin that is both spacious and luxurious. The dashboard is dominated by a 15.5-inch infotainment display. It has adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Active Park Assist 2.0 can automatically park the car in a parallel or perpendicular space. The Mach-E GT is expected to start at around $65,000. 5 Genesis GV60. It is luxurious and advanced all-electric SUV that combines sleek design with innovative technology. It is powered by an all-electric powertrain that delivers up to 225 kilowatts of power and 317 pound-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. It also offers a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. The interior has a high-tech cabin that is both spacious and luxurious. The dashboard is dominated by a large 14.5-inch infotainment display. It has adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. It has remote smart parking assist feature. The price of GV60 start at around $60,415. 6. Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is a highly anticipated SUV that combines off-road capability with luxury and advanced technology. It comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers 290 horsepower and a 5.7-liter V8 engine that delivers 357 horsepower. It has the Quadra-Lift air suspension system, which provides up to 10.9 inches of ground clearance. It also has a range of wheel options, including 18-inch, 20-inch, and 21-inch wheels. It has a large 10.1-inch infotainment display. It has a 10.25-inch digital cluster display. This SUV has adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Here are the prices of 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee 7 Lucid Air. It is an all-electric luxury sedan that is set to challenge the likes of Tesla Model S and Porsche Taycan. It can delivers up to 1080 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. The car has a top speed of 168 miles per hour and a range of up to 520 miles on a single charge. The interior of the Air is spacious and luxurious. The Air features a massive 34-inch curved glass display. It has adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The Air has augmented reality heads-up display. Here are prices of the Lucid Air. 8. Mercedes-Benz EQS. It is an all-electric luxury sedan that marks a new chapter for the German automaker. It delivers up to 516 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. The car has a top speed of 130 miles per hour and a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. The exterior has a sloping roofline, a long hood, and a tapered rear end. The interior is spacious and luxurious. The EQS features a massive 56-inch curved glass hyperscreen. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. It has augmented reality heads-up display. Here are the prices of EQS. 9. Porsche 911 GT3 Rupees. It is a high-performance sports car that is designed for speed and precision. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that delivers 520 horsepower and can rev up to 9,000 revolutions per minute. It has a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission that allows for lightning-fast shifts. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and has a top speed of 198 miles per hour. Sport Chrono Package allows the driver to optimize the car's performance with the touch of a button. It has lightweight aluminum wheels that are optimized for performance and reduce unsprung weight. The new 911 GT3 Rupees is priced at $225,250. 10. Tesla Cybertruck. It is an electric pickup truck from Tesla, known for its unique design, specs and advanced technology. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and have a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Additionally, it has a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds. The Cybertruck is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel. The windows are made from armored glass. It also features a vault-like rear storage area. The truck bed has a length of 6.5 feet and can be extended to 8 feet with a fold-down ramp. It has Tesla's advanced autopilot system. It has a massive 17-inch touchscreen display. Here are the prices of Tesla Cybertruck. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.